karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my thieye i30 plus action camera. So guys, couple of weeks back my GoPro crashed. I was on my ride and it was mounted on my crash bar, and unfortunately the mount broke and my camera crashed. Okay, and couple of cars they ran over the camera and it is totally lost. So then I thought of trying some other brand. Okay, so even if this crashes it should not hit my pocket. Okay, so we will try this and we will check the quality. So that's why I got this. And before or while I'm opening the camera, I would like to tell you I paid 23 Omani Reals for it. That is roughly equivalent to 60 American dollars. Okay, so the main reason for buying this camera was it is priced reasonable and I have read some decent reviews of it. Okay, so in case I break it, so I won't feel that bad. Okay, and guys, the company claims like it can shoot 4K videos. Okay, but I was reading the box. The 4K video quality they are saying is 4K at 10 frames per second. So that is not actual 4K. Okay, so but full HD recording option it has. That is at 1080 at 30 frames per second. So let us take it out. Okay, so guys, here it is, and it comes with this waterproof housing. Okay, so let me just, okay, so here is the camera. So let us see, and here is one mount. Later we'll remove it. Let's see what else is there in the box. So it has some 3M adhesive tapes, and then couple of mounts, then the back cover, not the case, back cover, charging cable, that is micro USB charging cable, and a battery. Okay, so this battery won't fit in the GoPro, or GoPro battery will not fit. The shape is different, but the company claims other external accessories they are common for GoPro and this brand. And what else is there? A instruction manual. Okay, so guys, this is thieye i30 plus. So soon I'll record a video with it. Okay, so and we will check the quality and I'll share it with you. Okay, so before, let us take it out. Okay, so outside this casing the camera is very light. It feels very lightweight. So here are the slots for connecting it for charging and HDMI out, and for the memory card. And I think these are the navigation buttons and on off buttons. So guys, this is thieye i30 plus. So guys, soon I'll be uploading a video review of this. Okay, so we will shoot some video with this camera, with the mount and without the waterproof casing, and with waterproof casing, and I'll upload it to my channel. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, more product reviews and things like that. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.